Give me 10%, or you will go to hell. Remember the book of Malachi.
Give me 10% or you will go to hell. Remember the book of Malachi. For most people, they can't tell if this is correct teaching or not. Godly discernment comes from the Bible. When a person is born again and filled with the Holy Ghost. We are living in a time when information is everywhere, opinions are loud, and deception is subtle. People are overwhelmed, confused, and pulled in a dozen directions at once. The world is noisy, the church is divided, and the lines between truth and error are thinner than they've ever been. In a moment like this, talent won't save you. Intelligence won't save you. Good intentions won't save you. Even sincerity won't save you. There is only one thing that will keep you standing, thinking clearly, and walking straight. Discernment. Discernment is not suspicion. It's not intuition. It's not a personality trait. Discernment is the ability to see beneath the surface, to recognize the spirit behind the situation, and to separate what looks good from what is good.
All right.
It is the mind of Christ operating inside a believer, giving clarity where others are confused and stability where others are shaken. You won't survive without discernment because the world is full of traps that don't look like traps. Temptation doesn't come labeled. Deception doesn't announce itself. Bad decisions don't feel bad at first. And the enemy rarely attacks head-on. He works through influence, relationships, opportunities, and voices that sound almost right. Discernment is the difference between marrying wisely or painfully. It's the difference between leading people or being manipulated by them. It's the difference between recognizing the direction of a government or being swept along blindly. It's the difference between spiritual maturity and spiritual disaster. Every major mistake in life, relational, financial, moral, spiritual, can be traced back to one missing ingredient: discernment. This message is not about fear. It's about survival. It's about equipping you with the one thing you cannot afford to live without in this generation. Because if you can learn to discern, you can learn to navigate anything.